So in summary, when anybody undertakes a renovation, when a homeowner decides to undertake a renovation project, they're going to have to manage a whole bunch of different other stakeholders, anybody from the plumber to the electrician to the finance broker to the real estate agent to the tiler. The list goes on and on. Flipro's main assistance point in all of this is to make sure that the homeowner is choosing the right trades, signing the right contracts, getting the right people on board during the right time, so that the main stakeholder in the project, i.e. you, the homeowner, is going to avoid all the other pitfalls that makes renovation such a stressful task.